Hello YouTubers, this is Mr. Techie. So I'm creating a video to help you improve your DNS. Verizon, AT&T, and other phone companies will not tell you this detail. If you was to reach out to one of the technicians at Verizon and say, "Hey, how you doing? Can you improve my DNS? I don't know what you're talking about, but we could charge you $20 a month and we could use the fast internet." You don't want to do that. You don't want to pay that extra money for what? You work hard for that money, right? So I'm going to show you the easy way. And it's free. So all you need is Namebench. Namebench was created by Google. So if Google made it, you know it's good, right? So it's very easy. Go to google.com and look up Namebench. Okay? It's the first one on top. You have 3 different files. Depending on what you have, operating system, you download the appropriate file, right? See, I'm using Apple, so is a DMG file, right? So the first one is for me. If you're using Windows, you will click on this one, and so on, right? And it's small. It's not even heavy. For the Mac, it's 1.3. For the Windows, it's 5.0. Isn't that great? Not using that much space. So cool. So what I would end up doing, because I'm using a Mac, is I would download the Namebench 1.3.1 Mac OS X DMG. See, I'm not going to download it because I already downloaded it. I know about the software. I love it. So after you finish downloading and installing onto your operating system, it's quite easy. You if you're on a Mac, you would download it, then another folder is going to pop up, and then it's going to say drag into the application folder. You just drag it in, and that's it. So once that's done, you're going to minimize this, right? And then you're going to open up Namebench. Then it's going to read your current DNS server, which is, for me, 192.168.1.1. That's Verizon. All right, Verizon service this. Okay. Then the next thing is you're gonna do you're gonna review what options they have here. I keep everything default because I'm fine with it, but I'll click on each one to see what what you may or may not like. Okay. Your location automatic. Common sense is automatic. Query data source. These are the options right there. If you like the ones listed below, sure. But I recommend you to keep the top 2,000 websites, okay? Health check performance. Fast or slow, unstable network. I like stable. Let's keep it fast. And then number inquiries. 250, you could keep it less, like 10. It's up to you, right? But I'm going to keep it 250 because, as I said before, I'm keeping it at default. You're going to click start. Okay, so this section is going to take about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. But I done this so many times, so it probably would take me 10 to 15 minutes, and then get my list of results. I would review the results and choose what DNS I want to deploy onto the configuration on the system preferences. But we will cross that path once it's done. I'm going to stop the video for a quick sec and come back when it's done. So we can go to the next step, right? Because I ain't going to bore you with the details looking at these numbers. Okay? All right. So hang on tight. So it was quite fast. It didn't take a long time because I did run it, well, quite often. So it knows what I love. I love fast internet, right? So in the bottom, it's going to say complete open DNS -3. It's the best. The thing tells you it's the best, but let's see what kind of results I'm going to get, right? So I'll click on Safari. Let's look at this. Recommended configuration, fastest plus nearest. So the first one is Open DNS -3. The next one is Verizon New York City, US. And the other one's Sprint. That's interesting. Sprint, for real. Anyway, so these are the first, second, and third fastest DNS servers, right? So what you're going to end up doing is going to deploy into the configurations in the network. In the network section, of course, if you hit the tab, the DNS, right there. That's a tongue twister. Damn. Anyway, so I'm using a Mac, right? So on a Mac, you will go to System Preferences. This will be the first page. Then Network. Of course, we working with the Wi-Fi because it's connected via Wi-Fi. Right? Click on that. Then click on Advanced. Then click on DNS. Okay, so my current DNS is 192.168.1.1, right? So this is Verizon. I mentioned that in the beginning. This is Verizon 192.168.1.1. Okay, cool. Now I want to put some new ones in. So the first one they say is this is the fastest one, fastest and nearest. So I'm going to paste it there. Next, surprising, Google was not in this list. Verizon, New York City, US. Okay, you're gonna put that one there. Next, Sprint link. Copy that. And then, it's all good. Okay, so I press OK. Then apply. Then X that out. I don't need this. I'm good. Thank you very much, Namebench. Time to test this thing out. So let's go to speed tests. See what kind of internet speeds I'm gonna get. What are you gonna give me? We're gonna test out the results. Hopefully your results will look beautiful as mine. Maybe mine's is slow, but hey, I'm connected via Wi-Fi. I shouldn't have very fast internet, right? But the results is telling me different. Come on, come on. Tell me I'm giving you good money. Whew! That's a lot. Those are good results. Tweaking the DNS for free using Namebench. Kudos for Google on helping us save money and not get swindled by phone providers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free. I'll send you the link if needed. But other than that, I think you should be good to go. All right. Take care. Like the video if you like. And if you have any other videos you want me to create, I'll try to create some videos and push it through. Bye now and take care.